It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Good morning, my dear. Good morning, my dear. Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well? Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Put on your clothes. Put on your clothes. Button your shirt. Button your shirt. Wear your socks. Wear your socks. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. Drink some water. Drink some water. Eat your breakfast. Eat your breakfast. Finish your milk. It's good for your bones. Finish your milk. It's good for your bones. Eat your vegetables. They are good for you. Eat your vegetables. They are good for you. Hurry up. You'll be late for school. Hurry up. You'll be late for school. Say goodbye to Daddy. Say goodbye to Daddy. Let's go to school. Let's go to school. Wash your hands before eating. Wash your hands before eating. Sit at the table. Sit at the table. Use your spoon. Use your spoon. Use your fork. Use your fork. Take small bites. Take small bites. Chew your food well. Chew your food well. Don't talk with mouthful. Don't talk with mouthful. Finish your food. Finish your food. Try a little bit more. Try a little bit more. No snacks before dinner. No snacks before dinner. Take a sip. Take a sip. Drink slowly. Drink slowly. Eat one more spoon, please. Eat one more spoon, please. Do you want more rice? Do you want more rice? I want more, please. I want more, please. Would you like some? Would you like some? No more sweets. No more sweets. It's too late for sweets. It's too late for sweets. Don't play with your food. Don't play with your food. Say thank you after eating. Say thank you after eating. Put your plate in the sink. Put your plate in the sink. Please pick up your toys. Please pick up your toys. Share your toys with your friends. Share your toys with your friends. Don't throw the ball inside. Don't throw the ball inside. Don't push your brother. Don't push your brother. Say sorry. Say sorry. Be kind to your friends. Be kind to your friends. Be happy. Be happy. Don't tease the dog. Don't tease the dog. Don't pull my hair. Don't pull my hair. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. High five. High five. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Be careful with that. Be careful with that. How did you get hurt? How did you get hurt? Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Don't forget to flush. Don't forget to flush. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Use soap. Use soap. Dry your hands. Dry your hands. Brush your teeth before bed. Brush your teeth before bed. Clean your nose. Clean your nose. Put your hand on your mouth while coughing. Put your hand on your mouth while coughing. Eustace. Eustace. Don't bite your nails. Don't bite your nails. Put your clothes in the laundry basket. Put your clothes in the laundry basket. It's time for a bath. It's time for a bath.
Change your dirty clothes. Change your dirty clothes. Trim your nails. Trim your nails. Don't scratch. Don't scratch. Are you okay? Are you okay? Mommy will take care of you. Mommy will take care of you. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. Do your homework neatly. Do your homework nearly. Read loudly. Read loudly. Spell the word. Spell the word. Count 1 to 10. Count 1 to 10. Let's draw something. Let's draw something. Color it. Color it. Show me your homework. Show me your homework. Pack your bag. Pack your bag. Pack your bag. Pack your bag. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Answer the question. Answer the question. Pay attention. Pay attention. Practice again. Practice again. Let's play together. Let's play together. Do your best. Do your best. Good job. Good job. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. You can do it. You can do it. Wear your jacket. Wear your jacket. Zip up your jacket. Zip up your jacket. Zip up your jacket. Zip up your jacket. Put on your hat. Put on your hat. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Stay close to me. Stay close to me. Look both ways. Look both ways. Keep your seatbelt on. Keep your seatbelt on. Follow mommy. Follow mommy. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. Let's go for shopping. Let's go for shopping. Do you like your new toy? Do you like your new toy? Go home. Go home. Don't worry, mommy is here. Don't worry, mommy is here. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Be brave. Be brave. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams.